I'd expect nothing less from a member of FUBAR.
So yeah. Pew pew! Pew pew pew! Surrender! I put a little hole in and I put these in. That is fucking
Part of my son.
Blue! Blue! Blue, come here. Blue, we have a plan. Blue? You're not Blue. Get out of here. What do you think you're doing? Hey, yo, girl. Get out of the...
Mr. Honey,
Okay.
it's one of them there honesty checkers.
What did he just yell? Okay, so the plan, the plan, and if anyone disagrees with this, tell me. But the plan that we have is to just stay here and defend. We have more than they do. If we buddy up and relive each other, we can hold this field and win.
Don't move.
So just guard. Just pick a spot, and we're gonna hold this field. We just started this. This was like an ingenious idea. We have more people anyway, might as well just stay alive. Just pick somewhere nice, with a good view, and shoot people.
Good view.
You shut your mouth. Not with that attitude, there's not. Ready to spread out, grab something to hide behind, maybe grab a buddy to where you don't get out, and we're gonna have a good old time. And it's a great way to stay in shape. So yeah, just grab some cover somewhere, and we're gonna chill. Nah, no, they can't stand it. They have to push. They have to. They push every game, and so you know what? We're just gonna chill. Chance, what do you think you're doing? Chance, you better not be pushing. I'm gonna kill you myself.
I'm trying so hard.
You bunch of tryhards. What do you think you do, running around like that? Don't you know the whole point of airsoft is to stand around and look cool? Woo! On camera, yeah! What do you want from me, Chance?
What do you want from me?
What do you want from me? Da, da, da. I saw some at Northfield. I don't know. My body is ready. Come and take me, boys. Hey, bro, I know you have a vest on, but put your iPro on. Hey, man. Hey, you. Camera. iPro. iPro. You have a vest, but you could get shot anyway. Just to let you know. It's very plausible, because that stuff happens all the time. I shoot people, for that matter, all the time. So you look like a badass, you know that? You look like one. It's glorious. We're just gonna keep our whole team alive. Who cares? I mean, even if they camped and we camped, we still have more people. Am I right? Am I right? Where's the people? Now remember, the whole field is open, so make sure they don't come through the woods around us. Yep. I'm enjoying it, man. We're out here chilling. It's a beautiful day. It's great. I love it. It's having me a good old time. The day that I actually care will be. I want to shoot you in the crotch so hard. It's awesome. God, oh, that's great. Welcome to the team, bro. You have been ordained, baptized into the faith. Wait, who's dancing? Who's dancing? What's good? Got some coming down the center. Yep, down the middle.
I do this. I'm going down.
See people way down there?
Yeah, I see him way down there. You'll have to come. We have more people since they don't come to us. I'm getting it.
That's what I'm saying. They may not realize we don't care. We have more people anyway. If we're gonna stay alive, we win. I mean, we're just gonna chill, have a good old time.
I know, right?
We're the ones running the sport for everyone. High five, guys, all around. Woo!
What?
What? Who's that?
What?
What? Who was that? Who had that really cool voice but talked something about leaving and I didn't want to do it?
Riding horses for the battle? What?
What?
That's what Chance said.
What? Chance? What?
Dude.
Hey, why are you guys camping?
Because we'll win.
Anyway, they have to come to us.
Yeah.
So both teams are just camping?
Well, I guess we have more people.
Really? Are they?
We'll win.
Are they camping? Cool. We have more people, so we'll end up winning anyway. Score!
Nobody, that's why you guys want to shoot. They all on their side, y'all on this side.
But see, they're going to get bored before we are, and they're going to come after us. It always happens.
You're just looking at each other right now.
Yep.
I like it.
It's great. He's entrenching himself. Oh my God.
Pretty good, pretty good.
See, this is the way every end of the day game should be. Just like pure fun and just screwing around. Because
You look as awesome as I do right now.
you really do. Wait. Calm